This is a car horn. And the car door has to open, so it goes. And then there's a record that plays the thing. Let's call somebody. Mr. Gower, the drunk, takes the wrong pills. Fall on the floor. And they fall on the floor. Yeah. The boy gets slapped. Ow, my ear. Don't hit my sore ear. He deserved it, though, I think. Telephone. You'll never see another good day. Phone's over. Oh, all right, you're back. I'm sorry. Every time. Yeah, what's that? Get out of town on that. Quick. Do some walking. Violence. Stops her food. Do you hear the crickets? Feel the cozy fire in the fireplace in the bridge house. Oh, come in. Ooh, it's windy outside. Yeah, you talk to my wife like that, you'll get a... Oh! Hit him. The bank's gonna close their doors in 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds. Oh, they made it. Lock the door. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, let's Here comes the mean old Gower in his wheelchair. There should be dun. Look, Clarence. Oh, and then we have to. We gotta put in a. Well, we put in a piece of glass like this, and then we go crash. And I have safety gloves just in case there's a horrible accident. We're gonna have to take you in. Violet, town lady. Bad weather. And then there's... Where's our snipper? We don't have a snipper. We do have a snipper, I just don't know what it is. Snap for the clutch into the water.
Do you have that food now?
But it's not been scored yet. But it would go. Help. And then he jumps in. Oh, whoosh. Hey, what are you guys doing in there? To the beach house.
Billy knocking the garbage can over.
Wild Irish Rose. Another drunk Irishman. Look, he's got gonna make some ice cream. Lock the door. Business door, not out. With bill, without bill. That's the part where Rhodey makes a big, overstuffed, fluffy dog for Christmas. Sniff it. Give him $17.50. Give him $17.50. How much do you need? I need $242. Oh, come on. Okay, $242. And 50 cents. Look, we robbed the jukebox. Martini robbed his jukebox. She was saving this for a divorce if she ever gets married. I wanna have no house without him. Money changers. What's this? He's a membership of the National Geographic Society. As opposed to fire. As opposed to a telegraph. Uh-oh, Potter's back.